Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. So this is like, I don't know, my fourth video I filmed today. I'm filming outside, so it's getting a little warm and I'm getting a little dehydrated, but I do need to catch up on my videos. So thank you so much for your support. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you'll hit that subscribe button, the like button, and what's that other button? Oh, the bell button, so that you get notified of all my videos. And if you're returning, hugs and kisses. You know how much I love and appreciate you. So today I have a new box to my channel. I don't even know how I found it. I ordered it months ago. I received it, so the price will be going below. It must be a one-off box. I don't think I subscribe to it. So I have to do all sorts of research. And it is the Balanced Lifestyle box. I don't know if I saw it on another YouTuber's channel, if I just found it off of Instagram or Facebook, so bear with me. And when you open it, it is, I'm peeking because I don't know what's in it. It says thebalancedcompany.com. So now I can go check before I actually post the video and check out all the information. And we got some cards. We got 15% off your next order of something. Living the life on the go, Loop is right there with you. Loop Lifestyle has designed and created the perfect Instagram-worthy scrunchies. Oh, so they must be talking about the scrunchie, because that's the first thing I found in the box, is this big yellow scrunchie. And I'm actually going to try and put the scrunchie on because I'm so hot. So no judgment. And then there is 50% off on all essential oil and roll-ons. So there must be something in the box related to that. And then we have a Romare exfoliating body bar with neem, herbal spice. And it smells like herbal. So that's what that is. And then we have 10% off Balanced 10. So I guess if you want the box, you can get 10% off. It says, "Hi friend, thanks for subscribing. We are so thrilled that you've joined our tribe. Our mission is to connect with high quality products to help you." So I guess if I want to get the next box, I save 10%. And oh my gosh, sweet orange and rosemary fizzy bath soak. And look at the size of this. So no wonder this box was so heavy. I have to smell it. And what I'm starting to do, sorry, there's a fly, there's a visitor, and I have to take my scrunchie out. Is just put this in like a tub of water and soak my feet in it. So I wish I could smell it, but the way, oh wait, the way they have this so protected, it was hard to smell it, but I can definitely smell this. So I just can't believe the size of the bag. Can't wait to find out how much I pay for this. Then we have, oh, Mani-Me stick-on gels. Look at that color. So we have that. God, I wish I remember how I found this box. And I'm not sure, because I don't see a card in here. Besides these cards, I don't see what's in here or the prices. But what a fun box. And this must be some kind of bag. It's got Pixie Mood. It's got a bunch of tags on it. So is it a, oh my goodness. I think it looks like it's got straps on here, but it feels kind of like fake suede or something, but look at the color. It's by Pixie Mood. What a fun little bag. And it does have a crossbody. So it must be a crossbody, but it's really a different color, so I do like it. It's got a zipper, and it's got pockets for your credit cards or debit cards. And it has, you know, the strap if you want to just use it as a wristlet. So that is really nice. And there's more. We have by Botanicals Cocoa Noir Time Reverse Facial Serum. And there's more. We have the Certified Organic Tea Tree, so that must have been what the card was for. Purifying Essential Oil Blend. So this suggested use apply to targeted areas of skin to spot treat for purification and cleansing. Reapply as desired throughout the day. So I guess it can go anywhere on your body or your face. And there's one more thing. And I don't know if it's a throw or a sweater. So let me move all this. I'm a little disappointed though, unless I can go online, that there's not a card. And because I'm out here and I'm a little hot, the last thing I really want to open is like a sweater. And, oh my God, it's so soft. So it's like a throw. And they're beautiful colors. It doesn't say, but it's definitely like a throw or a scarf. But let me tell you how soft this is. So just to recap what came in this box, and again, the price will be below, is this beautiful throw and these beautiful colors. They're definitely a neutral color, so you can wear it in the winter with a coat. We have the scrunchie. We have this beautiful bag, which I'm loving the color. We have the tea tree oil. We have the body bar. I bet you this is great for your skin. And this bag that is so heavy, and it's sweet orange and rosemary. And I am just going to look one more time, and if you want to order this box, you can use this code. I'm assuming it says Balanced10, and I'm pretty sure I must have used a code, because usually I use codes when I order new boxes to my channel. I don't pay full price, so feel free to use that code, because if I decide to order a box again, I'm going to use that code. And then they have on that oil, they have all sorts of different scents. And then this is for the scrunchie, but I'm disappointed there is no card. But I'm gonna go, before I edit the video, I'm gonna go and check to see again how much I paid for it and if there's anything about each item in the box. So that will all be in the description below. So let me know what your favorite item in this box was. Let me know if you think it was worth the price that'll be on the screen. And as always, please hit that subscribe button, tap the like button, and you guys have an awesome day.